How is everybody doing? Hope that you all are doing absolutely fabulous. I'm doing pretty okay. I seem to have gotten sick. I woke up with a very sore throat this morning. Hopefully the audio is good. The past 3 streams, my audio was messed up. As in, like, my audio was going to different tracks, so hopefully you can hear the background music. If you can't, let's get it fixed now. Not like 10-15 minutes into the stream. Oh, this is a really old school stream for me, you guys. I don't have a pen, I have a mechanical pencil. There you go. Audio is good. Hey everybody. Kelvin and Teal, Foxo, Alan's phone channel, Cyprin, Commentary Sheep, another great yet another obscure yet great. That audio flopped? What do you mean? Those are fighting words. I think that this music creeps up on me. We're going to be listening to Outrun and then switch to some eclectic rock music. Rock and hip-hop. And what is the background music? I'm glad that you asked. The background music is a remix of Wave Race's config music. If you go to the config screen, it plays this, and this is a bit of a remix. So, let's take down the loading screen. Ooh, I should have transitioned, huh? You probably just got punched in the face with Bright. Sorry about that, my friends. Let's drop into the Nitrux. That was weird, the music cut out. You changed your name from Harry. Oh, I see, okay. Hello, long time no see. That's right, it has been a long time since I've done a stream like this. I got a new Distro Delves PC. I don't know what it is, but we'll discover it together as we do. Speaking of audio issues, you've been having them. Yeah, you know what, actually? I'm on Linux Mint Debian edition, and I've been having strange audio glitches and stuff here and there. Kelvin, you joined my stream on Twitch a couple days ago, or a couple of weeks ago now, and I had my audio completely messed up, and I was trying to respond to you, but I couldn't because my audio was messed up. Teal joined like halfway through, not even, probably more than halfway through, and told me my audio was messed up, and I felt really bad. You don't even have a Distro Delves PC. That's okay, most people do not. We're going to be looking at Nitrux 2.5.0. It uses a unique desktop environment, as you can see. I gotta watch the music. This is a long song, which is great for me. I'm going to save the details about this distro and just get it installed. Well, kind of. Let's get the installer going and then I'll switch music because the installer is actually quite unique. I gave it a test drive to make sure it worked. It does not work in VirtualBox. Teal and I could not get it working. Teal was my guinea pig and he failed. But that's okay, Teal. I still love you. Seems to only want to install on actual hardware, which can be frustrating. Nice to see and hear another Distro Delves live. Thank you. I'm really glad to be here live with you. I really like these live streams. These live streams. Alright, we're going to switch to Outrun. Make sure I've got the level correct. That seemed a little low. Let's turn it up. That should be a bit better. I'm talking pretty close to the microphone because my throat is sore and I also have a thing in my mouth. So hopefully I don't sound like I'm sucking on an inner tube. Digging the stock wrap wallpaper. Hey Arrow, how's it going? Leon, I see you there. It's good to see all you guys. Wow. So yeah, this is Nitrux. What do I have for the notes? I've got dad jokes on tap. Oh, I had an intro. You got it tuned to Egee 1 or 2 trillion. 101, Adam, hey. All you guys, Rishel's here. The weather outside is brightful. Not really, actually. It's kind of cold today. I don't hate it. Oh, I remember this song. It's got a cool tune in the background. I'm not drinking anything. Actually, I got water. Well, I mean, I'm drinking water. I usually drink coffee. I got an espresso machine, but I haven't set it up. I'm going to do that afterwards. And we're testing a brand new device. We already talked about that. Okay. So, this is where I talk about the installer and get sidetracked and probably talk about other stuff. But look at this installer. So I want to do Distro Delves again, like right now. Oh look, I got off track. It's a side tangent, but it makes sense. I want to start doing Distro Delves again because I feel like I've lost touch with what's happening in the land of Linux. Like, I see it from the outside, but I don't feel it. I'm not like in it anymore. So Distro Delves is like, I was just doing it too much and I got burned out. So I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it in moderation so I don't completely burn out like I was. I would like to do it weekly. Like, that was really fun. But trying to do the streams and episodes and then, like, you know, the weekly thing was maybe a little bit too much. So we'll see. You feel like Linux hasn't been as innovative as it was in 2021? I mean, I think maybe, yeah, but like, we're in a good spot. What else would we change? It's just incremental upgrades. So, Nitrux OS 2.5. Now, Teal reminded me that this used to be some strange distro that was based around containerization and PCI pass-through and all that other stuff. They don't seem to be doing that anymore. We might be confused with a different distro. But this one is kind of more cutting edge on the Qt toolkits and the KDE. It's not KDE, it's like MauiKit. It's something different, and you'll see it. And it likes AppImages over all else. AppImages, Flatpaks, and then you get your Debs. Moderation is key, that's right. Hi, Daedalus. So yeah, this installer is pretty cool. I've never seen anything quite like this. What do you guys think of it? Hey, where's chat? Oh, the side pane isn't there. But chat isn't there either. Did my Streamlabs chat break? I think it did. Well, I'll just keep the side panel away. Bummer, I didn't want to fix that. Did you say Vim for packages? Maybe. So this looks pretty good. Like, I don't have any complaints or anything about it. The region, it would be cool if it found this on its own. Like, I'm in Pacific, which is right there, but what if you needed to scroll down really far? It'd be annoying. I did find my time zone, so that's good. My keyboard model. The users, what are we going to call ourselves? Egee sounds good. Password is Delves. Log in automatically? No, we want to see the login screen. Display manager, something. Is there no option to set it for 1080? Is it streaming at 720? Let me see. I don't think I can fix that without restarting the stream. No, it's at 1080. I don't know. I don't know. Ah. Can you imagine using Vim as a package manager? I'm sure somebody has. You get 722? Is it my YouTube settings? I don't think so. Possibly. Oh, it is. That's the stream key I chose. Damn. Well, is it really bad? Because I can switch the stream key really fast. It might screw up the VOD, but maybe I'll do that out. Let's get through the installer. Yeah, I'll fix it. Hold on. So, users, we set up our user. We're going to erase the disk. I think we only have one, yeah. Samsung SSD 860 EVO. The default file system seems to be XFS, though you can use ext4. And it's weird that it says no swap or swap to file with the file system next to it. These are not related at all. Like, you're not, like this. Them being next to each other implies that they have something in common, but they don't. That's just strange UX. And here's the installation summary. Install it now. So to switch the stream key, I'd have to change it in YouTube, stop the stream, and then restart it with the new stream key, and it's probably fine, but I don't know. I think I'm going to leave it because I don't want to introduce some technical challenges. How do front-end devs like their brownies? Can you tell me that? How do front-end developers like their brownies? They like them a little gooey. That was a pretty good one. I'll pat myself on the back for that. Not that I came up with it, but I did deliver it. What is the package manager? That's a good question. I have in my hand a paper with a list of attributes regarding this distribution, and the package manager is missing. So I'm gonna pencil it in with my mechanical pencil. The package manager is apt because it is Debian-based. Oh, now the chat's coming back. What the heck? There, I put the panel. We have enough technical difficulties. Let's not make it any more unstable. That was a good song. You hear that? Is that Calamares? I don't think so. It's a customized Calamares. Okay, I guess it is Calamares. I'll write that down too. The installer is custom Calamares. Got it. Thank you, Harry or Cipran. I appreciate your feedback. See, I like having something tangible. Like I can touch these pages. It makes me feel more connected to the live stream. So the installer is done. What's the installer? Yeah, I guess it's Calamares. If you had written down actually, but Nitrux uses an immutable file system and OpenRC as well. That's right. You have to use PackageKit to upgrade the system instead of apt. Yep. Well, yeah, that's true actually. I shouldn't have said it was apt. I mean, you can use apt, but it'll yell at you when you use something called pkcon. So let me cross that out. Pkcon. Pkcon. Yeah, isn't this music good? It's good to see you, Tanvir. And Cringe. Restart now. Is the chat gone, or is it like super delayed or something? What the heck is going on here? Like people are talking, but it's not showing up, and then it's I don't know, figure it out. We want to restart, yes. So I've been thinking about what Distro Delves is anymore. You had to use your email for a course. Oh, no video. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm actually using... There we go. I'm actually using my monitor. Oh, that's a live CD? Just a second. I have to unplug. Ouch. Sorry. I have to unplug the USB, which is here. There it is. Yeah, see, now the chat's popping, and then it'll fade out. It's very strange. So, yesterday I went grocery shopping. And when I was loading my car, I pulled a muscle in my leg, which is like super lame. But a couple days ago I went hiking, and I don't think that I properly stretched and conditioned, and that pulled muscle was just waiting to happen. So, yeah, that's what that ouch was about. What was I doing? Yeah, so the music is slapping. Getting old, and I'm not getting old. That's that's my punishment for not conditioning before that hike. It was a long hike. It was way longer than I was expecting it to be, but it was really fun. We went down some there was like a switchback that was kind of sketchy at first. It was sketchy because there was leaves all over the ground. People kept slipping and sliding, and my shoe had no like traction, no tread on it at all. All right, so this is Nitrux. Right out of the gate, you have a bizarre notification that just says notify send. It's a good sign, right? The chat just pops up. Whoop, forgot about that. Okay, what do we look at first? Let me review the list. A proper stretch is crucial. Yeah, tell past Egee that. He just hopped out of the van and started going, which is silly. Oh yeah. This is good music, man. Whoever put together this playlist is really good. Okay. Oh, they're singing in this one. Is there a welcome app? No. What's the install footprint? Well, before we do that, let's address what we're looking at here. This is Nitrux. It is cute technology. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong on any of this, but it is cute technology, like leading edge cute. It's based around KDE, but it is not KDE. It is its own thing, the Nitrux desktop. Isn't that right? At the top, you have this panel. Looks like any old panel. You could probably get KDE to look somewhat like this. These two little slashes here are strange, but when you pop open an application, you see that they fill in. So it's kind of like Mac OS a little bit. It's weird. I think that these little dashes should go away if there's nothing open. Oh, and they move too. Yeah, that's strange. Let's keep this open. Okay. Top right, you've got your tray. You've got a notification that's telling me that the dock is sending a notification. Okay. Close that out. We got house Wi-Fi, the house Wi-Fi, which I connected in the live session and it carried over, which is always nice. A lot of distributions don't do that. Bluetooth is enabled. I don't know. I haven't tested it with anything. Let's add a device. Just see what it finds. Will it find anything? Yeah, there you go. An on TV stick. It's kind of weird that that's just sitting there broadcasting though. So Bluetooth works, that's good. We got a printer. And the volume things. The volume was weird when I was playing with it. I think this is just a KDE thing, but if you want to change your source. So let's go to like Egee. My channel introduction. You won't be able to hear anything because I don't have the audio like wired. Play. There we go. So if I wanted to change, oh, why? Oh, because I turned the audio on. Okay, so I was like, how do you change which source it's going to? Like, what? How do you do this? It's the most unintuitive thing I've ever seen. You click, drag, and drop over the thing that you want to listen through. There's nothing on this UI that would indicate that at all. And it's very strange, and I don't like it. Now, what do I think about Manjaro? It's alright. I should probably revisit Manjaro, huh? So if you want to close your application, you can't do it from here. You have to go up here and close it. I don't know. I'm not a fan of the UX, to be quite honest with you. Alright, so let's see what the install payload is. We're gonna whip out station, which is the terminal. You can see that it uses Z shell. The install footprint is 9.1 gigabytes. That's pretty big. What's the memory usage? Let's find out. We have HTOP? We do. Well, let's ask free. Whoops. It is using 1.2 gigabytes? That's wild. We're not even doing anything. Dang. What's the CPU doing? Just hanging out? Dude, this keyboard's no good. You almost forgot about the Egee game. I was talking to a friend about that last night, actually. I really need to just like do it. I need to start talking about it, stop making plans, and just work on it. Remember when you told me to put some clothes on for Egee at the game? That was a nice period. Rust was getting popular back then. Put some clothes on Egee. Oh, yeah, I do. Yeah, I know what you're talking about now. The CPU is 89 tasks. Don't I have that written down somewhere? What am I doing? Disk usage at idle was what? 9.1? 9.1 gigabytes. Running processes. That shouldn't be processes, that should be threads. Or tasks, actually. That's what I'm measuring. I want to collect all these stats, and at the end of the year, not that there's a whole lot of time left, I want to compare all these distros that we've looked at on the show and see which ones, like the lighter channel panel is dead. Wait, Doc, what's a gigabyte? That's a good question. 89 tasks and 243 threads. Do we have NeoFetch? This is where I'm going to show you guys how to install applications. You want to know? Call it a tutorial. Maybe I'll highlight this in the stream. So, if you think you can do sudo apt install NeoFetch Delves, you are mistaken. Whoopsie. Let me zoom it in for you. Okay, well, there is no zooming in. Yeah, okay, I can't zoom in. Maybe control this, no? Okay. Accessibility troubles for this, unless it's like some hotkey I don't know. Whoopsie, looks like you're trying to use the use apt in Nitrux 2.5. We strongly emphasize using AppImages over Deb packages. However, to manage Deb packages from your repos, please use pkcon and press enter. Pkcon does not require sudo. Bingo bango. You don't want to be negative, but this distro's a mess. Why do you say that? We haven't even done anything. We've just been hanging out. Pkcon is a little strange. What happened to it not needing sudo? I guess it's elevating permissions, but still. So I don't know what the hell this is all about, but look it's showing me the progress right in the middle of the, standard out. I don't know. Why default to app package or AppImages? I don't know. Their own thing. What do you think about NTFS? How can you hide anything in it? I have no idea. I don't have any real opinions on NTFS. Can you just not be in the sudoers file and install whatever you want? I mean, yeah, that's well, yeah, kinda. You heard pkcon is in KDE? Oh, that's where I've seen this before. Right. There's your NeoFetch. I think that's a pretty cool looking NeoFetch. Oops, no ops on NTFS. So this is Nitrux 2.5.0 build 311022 x86-64 running the Xanmod kernel. You see that? The Xanmod kernel. What's that all about? That looks like the Bing logo. It's Z Shell 5.9. It says that it's Plasma 5.26.2, but this is MauiKit, I thought. I think. It uses Kwin for the display manager, though you can't like customize it or do anything. The theme is Nitrux Dark, if you like it. Let's open some apps so you can see it. File manager, what the hell's this? Let's open them all. Open them all. Oh, I guess you can customize stuff. Okay, we'll dig into this in just a bit. So here's your text editor. Not too bad, huh? Here's your video player. Open file, add sources. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. Close them out. Media player, nothing to play. Looks good. I mean, all the apps look great, right? I think this is beautiful. It's beautiful. You like the animations that pop up? I actually like them. I think it's pretty cool. Does it have a swap? Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It has a swap file, which is lame. Apps look a lot like GNOME. Will you check out an entirely unique desktop? Yeah. I wanted to dive into a distro that was familiar but different to get started. Like Alma was released. I have no interest in Alma. Like, I don't care. I really don't. Nitrux is interesting because it's familiar, yet it's different. And it has a really interesting presentation, and I have to be interested in it to dig into it. Like, otherwise, that's one of the reasons why I burned out. I was just looking at stuff I didn't care about. And like workstation enterprise distros, I could care less. Distro Delves is about having fun, and at the end of the stream we play games anyway, so why pick an enterprise distro? Latest Ubuntu with Unity is interesting. We'll take a look. We'll take a look at that. What was I doing? I totally forgot what I was doing. Why did I have HTOP open? Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, moving. Oh, I was looking at NeoFetch. Anyway, moving on. Is there a driver or firmware installer tool? You guys want to look at some custom tooling? So the bottom bar down here, this dock thing, this is Latte. Damn it. Oh, jeez. Okay. So the top bar could be Latte. I'm not sure what it is, but this bottom bar is definitely Latte dock. There it is, Latte. So there are a few different panels. We have a total bottom layout, which, there we go. Looks the exact same. It looks like it crashed, actually. Yep, that crashed Latte dock, so that's a good sign. Let's try again. We'll do NX top panel. Let's give it a shot. Hey, Zen. Black Worm. Hey, I haven't seen you in a minute. Yeah, I want to do this a bit more. I hope to see you. I hope to see you all more. I haven't seen a distro. This is a legit Distro Delves. This isn't like, hey, I'm just gonna poke around at this distro. Like, I've got a whole set planned. Okay, so those other layouts just don't work. Can we configure a lot? I don't know if I want to touch anything. Argument missing? Oh God. Let's bail out of this. Get out. Okay. So this is the desktop. Change workspace behavior. Looks just like KDE. Okay, so we have hot corners. That's cool. Set up touchscreen. Screen locking is all in here. Nice, nice. Yeah, Latte dock it's known for this, just like crashing. I have no idea what could be happening in the code to make it crash like that. Like, what could it be doing to just hard crash? It's usually pretty hard to make your apps hard crash, so it's impressive that just changing the layout will cause it to lock up like that. Like, you see a lot of app crashes in the wild, but like you have to be working at it to get it to crash. Nitrux mixed. Bit of a vanilla layout. Ooh, I like this actually. I like this. I like the white. What do you guys think? The animations are so cool. But keep in mind that this is KWin, so you can set up your KDE to do this. If you're running KDE, you could have it do the exact same thing. In fact, let's customize it. I'll show you how to do it. I actually like this. Can we do that? Oh, look at that. You put them up here. Yeah, I prefer this. Okay. I actually like the layout, but there's certain things that are kind of weird. Let's put it all back. Screwed up. You get flashbang from using light screen. You tried using KDE a while back. It turns out it doesn't get along with KDE or with XFCE. Yeah, I could see that. All right, let me show you some desktop effects, unless I forgot where they are, or unless they hid them. Ah, here they are. Okay. Magic lamp. So here's your magic lamp. We can have them squash the windows instead. when they're minimized. There you go. Or go back to magic lamp. Maybe turn on some wobbly windows. I know you guys like that. I'm gonna leave that on actually. Yeah, look at that. Now you can see through it. But again, this is all KDE. This isn't, well, not all of it, but like, let's turn these off. There you go. Nice. Okay. It's cool. I like it. It's a very, very pretty desktop. I like it a lot. Okay, what else were we gonna do? Is there a driver? Oh, we were gonna look for apps. That's what we were doing. Okay, so you can't stand wobbly windows? God, I love them. What keyboard am I using? My main keyboard is a Corsair K70, and the one that I'm using for Nitrux is a Logitech K400. It's not good. Okay, so what kind of tools do we have? Agenda, which is the calendar app. Looks good. Arc. Everybody knows Arc. It looks great. Bonsai. Bonsai seems to be some kind of like Git. What? I have Bonsai selected, right? You see that? Bonsai. I go to help and it says about Arc. So for some reason, this thing is still plugging into Arc even though I have Bonsai selected. Oh, now it's gone. Now I don't have anything. So that was a bug. You guys saw that? We just saw a bug. I have a talent for just finding bugs. At AOL.com, what the hell? MauiKit frameworks. Quick Git control version manager. Honestly, this could be really cool. Oh, listen to that. Take some notes. My note. Hello world, or hello YouTubes. Favorite that. You can just send it. Okay. Send it. Can I put it on the desktop or anything like that? I see it. Do you guys see the little like the highlight thing behind it? But when I drop it, it does nothing. Like what? Where is it? Guess the world may never know. This is there it is. Okay, whatever. Again, the apps are great. There seems to be a little grid on the desktop. You're listening to this stream while working on your final paper. Wow. I'm glad to be hanging out with you while you do that. I'm sure that your paper is going to be great. No videos, add sources. We can do add sources takes you to just general settings. Oh, sources down here. Oh, they're different folders. I mean, that makes sense because it's sandboxed. So like, yeah, your source could be your file system, sure. That's fine. It comes with ImageMagick, okay. If you're not familiar with what ImageMagick is, it's actually a really commonly used tool, usually on like the CLI or backend. It's kind of weird to see the UI here, but okay. We can install bottles, install Twitch, itch, not Twitch, install itch. Kcalc is the calculator. Whoa, did you see it shrink like that? That was really strange. NitroShare. NitroShare is a desktop application that makes it easy to transfer files from one device to another. To transfer these files, use the menu item in your system tray. Okay, I was just about to say it's not in the system tray. So this is like Warpinator, it looks like. Every time I find a bug, take a shot, please. Take a shot or a hit or whatever you have going on. Every time I find a bug, you guys will be so jacked up watching this stream. Shot, shot, shot. Look at this. It expands and then contracts. It's very strange. NVIDIA X server. Oh, what? This So they distribute it with the NVIDIA driver installed? That's weird. This isn't an NVIDIA machine, actually. Let's go back to NeoFetch. There are things that I do really like about this. Like, I know that we're kind of like goofing. It took the whole thing with it. That's okay. I found another bug. Okay, watch. So we run htop in this tab. I open a new tab and run exit, and it closes the whole application. It should only close that tab. Like there's no other terminal that would do that. I use Tilex on a daily basis, and it most certainly does not do that. Because if it did, I'd be closing my tabs. I'd be closing my terminals all the time. Like, if I hit exit right now, would you expect this tab to go away, or would you expect the parent process to go away? It kills, so the child can kill the parent, even though there's another process running alongside. So the child kills its sibling and the parent. How's that for dark? Anyways, what was I doing? I don't even know what I was doing. I have no idea what I was doing right there. If somebody remembers what I said I was going to do, please let me know, 'cause I forgot. Might just be a setting. You think it's a setting? Let's find out. Go to settings. The font family. The font does look good. Line spacing. Focus mode. Oh, get rid of the header? Ooh, that looks weird, but I could see how you might, yeah, you could turn it into like a little CLI app or something. I'm not seeing a setting, so I think that that's just a strange default. There's a tutorial? Oh. Oh, that's cool. Split view vertically or horizontally. I don't, yeah, see, I can't get it to, what happened? Where'd my other tabs go? Like, for real though, where'd they go? Okay. Oh, there we go. What? Okay, what just happened? What did I just do? No, my htop and stuff is gone. Ugh, wow, that app is very strange. What terminal app is that? This is called Station. So yeah, type in term and it brings up Station. It's really cool. It's just janky. Like, it needs a little bit of work. It is a little bit buggy. I'm not sure what's going on here. There, this is my natural state of being in the terminal. But it looks good, doesn't it? I think it looks really good. Oh, I was going to tell you guys about the system that I'm using. Okay, something else I noticed. I was working on this late at night. Am I playing Overwatch 2? I'm not. But okay, you guys tell me. On the left is htop. You can read that text really good, right? On the right is NeoFetch. Does this not look blurry to you? This, I swear this is blurry to me. And I'm not drinking. And I'm not doing anything. But the right side looks a little bit blurry to me. Anyway, I brought this up because I wanted to show you this is an AMD Ryzen embedded R150 or R1505G, so 1505G, with Radeon Vega graphics. 4 cores running at 2.4. And the GPU is an AMD ATI Radeon Vega series. So that's what we're using here. Honestly, it is really capable. I'm like really impressed by this little machine. It looks like a toaster. It looks like a little toaster. It really does. Okay, we're still looking at the apps, right? Because we're going to look at the software store. Spectacle is the screenshot capturer, which is really good. I highly, highly recommend, if you have KDE or anything like that, I highly recommend using this. Like, check this out. Take a screenshot. You can move it around. Like, you got to get it perfect. You know how a lot of screenshotters, when you make the rectangle, it just takes the picture? This doesn't. This is K-shot. Though I noticed that these circles, look, there's no anti-aliasing. They're just like, just hard and sharp. But look at that, even down here. If any of you are running KDE, does Spectacle look like this on your setup, or is this Nitrux? If it is Nitrux, I'm afraid to inform you, you must take a shot. Shelf, do we have Shelf open? Add sources, probably just the file system, yep. Strike, what is this? Is it a game? Oh, strike like a pin, that's kind of cool. Configure, build, run, and install. What? What is this? Could I get a help? Or like, what is this program? Settings, okay. That's strange. It's in the drop down here. That's where settings is? Like, what? Oh no, okay. This isn't a bug per se, but it's really inconsistent UX. So if I want to get to the settings on this app, I go to the hamburger and then I click settings, okay? To get to the settings on this app, I click the drop down because there is no hamburger. I click the drop down, which includes a bunch of context settings, but at the bottom is app settings. Ugh, I don't know what to say. That's very strange. I still don't know what this app is about. Build and run code. So that's cool. I'd like to use this for something sometime. Like, how does it work? I'm interested. Oh, these buttons don't even do anything. Again, it's very pretty. That's a great red though. This shade of red looks fantastic. You can clearly see the black cancel word. And look, it's rounded right here. It fills it in perfectly like this. There are certain things about the UI that are just like magic. But other things, like how to access settings, like why is it inconsistent? You should have one way of accessing your settings. Very strange. Catherine, you've not heard of this distro before? It's been around for a while. You got the same look on KDE with Spectacle? Wow, weird. Okay, it's finally time to show you guys. There's a lot of apps here. Let's go to a different desktop. It's finally time to show you guys the... We didn't look at everything, actually. Hold on. System monitor and V-Wave. Is this like just a music player? Wow. Did you see Latte Doc go bananas there for a minute? Okay, and now it's time to look at the Software Center. Check this out. Hey, Ben Fitzpatrick, how are you? Man, we haven't even gotten through most of this stuff. I want to play some good tunes for you. I've got a whole eclectic list of songs. That's the music theme today, by the way. It is, what is Egee listening to? I've been listening to all kinds of stuff. And usually I have a theme. How far into this stream are we? 45 minutes? Let me give you a stream intro. On Distro Delves, we pick a distro, we look through it, we crawl through it, look at all the different desktop applications and everything, and then we've got a list of tests that we go through where we check all sorts of stuff. And then at the end of the tests, we play games. And during the tests and during the games, I like to play copyrighted music, and we haven't gotten there yet. This one is moving very slow. You got into Night Tempo. Night Tempo is a good choice, Teal. You're getting into all kinds of good music, man. Okay, so this is the software store. How does it look? I think that this is possibly the nicest software store that I've seen. And I know that I've said that before, but what can I say? I like software stores. A few things are weird about it, like this is progress, nothing to do. this is apps, get started, update all, but there's like nothing to update. It's like, I don't know. This should be hidden because there's nothing there. We want to get some apps. We got Maui apps. Nota. Don't we have Nota though? Yeah, we do. So I guess we can install it again. So instead of install, it's just get. Drops down to packages, 0 bytes. Okay, then it hops over here, downloading the Nota bundle. So does that little bar go all the way across the screen, or does it just fill up the imaginary space where the Nota thing is? Like, what is that bar gonna do? This song sounds familiar. It is Splash by Highway Superstar. An Outrun tune. Okay, I think that bar might be going all the way. Now remember, this is 0 bytes. This is a 0 byte package. So I don't know what it is downloading exactly. Hey Timothy, how is it going? You're out of vodka. Okay, I guess it's really gonna span the whole. Oh, the what would this be, like a list item? It spans the entire distance. So what if I do this? Oh, okay. Oh, it's responsive. That's cool. Come on, how many bugs can you experience? Have I heard of Chakra? I have. I would love to look at Chakra Linux. It's definitely on my list. And if I can keep myself doing this, then we'll get to it pretty soon. Popular in games, Space Cadet Pinball. Is that what it sounds like it is? Oh, Brave is in here? What? CPU X? All sorts of weird stuff. Yeah, it is Space Cadet Pinball. Let's get it. Get it. Now I can't go back to the screen I was just on. I can only go back. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, let's get Brave. For real? Okay, well. Now, you and I would expect these, if you click them, to actually go to the page, right? Like, that's not me just being silly, is it? I guess I will search for Brave. Look how fast it's spinning. I like this screenshot. It's just the icon. This one is 1 byte. Is this the beta? No, this is 2.5.0, which indicates to me that it is not a beta, but it is in fact the second major release. That's what it sounds to you, right? Like, I'm not trying to be rough. I'm just like saying it how it is. You can download another app store. This is a good song. There was something else I was gonna get. What was it? WhatsApp's on here. Bilana Etcher. Podman. You guys want to play with Podman? You can download Podman from the Software Center. That's different. Yeah, let's get it. A Podman as an app image? What? What's this song? This is Cruise by Crockett. Apex Legends is fun and it runs on Linux. I haven't played it yet. Let's take a look at the categories. I'm spending a lot of time on this, but it's really good. I like this software store a lot. Oh, I was going to look up CPU-Z. I didn't know that was on Linux. Oh, CPU-X. So is that better than CPU-Z? I don't remember downloading the beta version, but okay. So now do I have 2 Notas? Nota? I do. I have a development version of it. Oh. Unable to create IO slave. And it has a totally broken style. Okay. Whatever. This is GTK. What type of application is this? It's GTK. Yeah, but is it like network? Is it internet? Is it a system thing? Is it a system like utility? No, it's just GTK. Okay, got it. I hear ya. Okay. Wow, this really is CPU-Z. I didn't know that this was on Linux. This is really cool. So if I wanted to install this on Debian, how would I get it? Oh, it has a benchmarker built in? Damn. Let's try something. I don't know if I want to mess with this again. pkcon install btop. It really is GTK. I would love for you to install that. Thank you. Delves. I said Delves. I'm not going to repeat myself. Any Discord server? Yeah, but it's not what you think. Like, it's not all Linux all the time. It's all kinds of stuff. But yeah, there is a Discord server. Egeeify. I might have taken the link down. I need to put it back up. How do I maximize this? You get whiplash going to the next desktop. Oh. Alright, I would consider this a bug. I'm sorry. I know that you guys are like feeling really used and abused right now, but look at. So, this is the only application on this desktop. See it? Look, there's nothing else here. In fact, if I go up here, well, this is from all the desktops, but you know what I'm saying. This is the only app. So if I maximize this, because there's no other apps here, I would expect it to maximize on this workspace. But instead, it gives you whiplash and launches you to the next or possibly next desktop. Okay, are you guys buckled in? Hold on to your butts because we're going for a ride. There. Now we are on our brand new desktop. But I opened this because I kind of wanted to run a benchmark. Let's bail out of this. How do I wait a second. Okay, this is actually worse than I thought because I can't close this vertical pane without killing the whole terminal. Like, look, there's no way for me to close this. If I type in exit, the whole terminal goes away. Where'd my btop go? Okay, we'll launch it the hard way then. There we go. The chat panel died again. Oh, I know. And the app defaults are messed up. Teal, I don't know. I really don't. I don't know what the heck is going on. Okay. Why on earth is run a toggle switch? This is a radio button, isn't it? It's just like it. Ugh. Why is this happening? I have never seen a go button as a switch like that. That is so strange. Can I flip the top one too? No. It's like barely even working it. (60°C), not too bad. Start daemon? What the hell would the daemon do? What would a CPU-Z daemon do? Anyway. Kind of a cool app though. I like the app. Okay. They're supposed to be single-threaded and multi-threaded tests. Okay. So this is probably multi-threaded. Oh, it is working it. Look at that. Okay, so let's scale it up to 4 threads. Yeah, okay, that's what this is. It's just like kind of glitchy looking. 4 threads it is. Let's do it. Work the CPU. All right, what else is there to look at? I think it's time for the Distro Delves tests. What do you guys think? Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. Just disappointment. Okay, let me plug the external device in. Just a moment. Let me pull up the file manager so you can see it. Can we move this to a different workspace? Where is it? Where's file manager? There it is. Dump it here. Okay. Plug it in. Okay. USB stick is in. It's not a USB stick. I don't know why it's called that. Needs to be mounted. Do you want to mount it? I do. I would love to mount it. There's nothing else I would rather do than mount that USB stick. Grab these guys. Oh, you can't multi-select in this. That's right. So I'm going to hold Control. I've got Control held down. I'm going to click Distro Delves tests. Oh, okay, it does work. It made a liar out of me. That's okay. Cut. Copy. Will you check the convergent shell? Yeah, you'll have to tell me. You'll have to, like, I'm not sure how. Walk me through it, please. If it's not intuitive, I won't find it. Paste it here. Yeah, speaking of convergence, I think that what they were going for, what he's going for, is like a mobile to the max feel on the desktop. You guys know how I feel about that. Is it not copying? It copied. Oh, no, I'm just blind. That's why. All right, let's Egeeify the desktop. Hey! Where'd my stuff go? Where's my Egee stuff? Yeah, see? It didn't copy the... It didn't copy the files. What the hell? That's... I have no confidence that this copy worked at all now. Like, what else did it? It didn't copy this stuff. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, look, it's spinning up here. I had no way of knowing that it was copying. Nothing popped up to tell me that it was copying anything. What the heck, man? Ah. My throat's doing pretty good, actually, I have to say. For having a sore throat. All right, let's Egeeify this thing. So, first thing we'll do is change the user's profile picture. Don't we have settings open over here? We do. User feedback, online accounts, NX firewall. I haven't shown it. Oh, the style looks great. White on white. Like not even shadows on the text. This enable button is, I don't know. At least, hey, you know what? It has a firewall. How's that? How about that? Let's just be grateful. Users. Egee. We got Conky's preloaded. That's a good sign. Conky's my boy. But we don't want Conky for this. We want... not what I was going for. We want the old PFP. Yep. And we haven't played around much with backgrounds. Let's do that. You have to log out and select Maui shell. Okay, we'll do that in just a second then. Let's get some new... No, I have my own wallpapers. How do I get out of this? Okay. I have my own. Thank you very much. Not you. Ocean Ave. Actually, this looks pretty good. Already. Yeah. How's that for a background desktop? I'm just gonna leave all this stuff running. Okay, so we have Egeeified the desktop sufficiently. Let us commence the actually, let's do a full system update and then restart and then commence with the testing, because that's only fair. So we'll go to the old software store, which is not Arc, it is... I can't even find it. I cannot find it in here. Is this it here? Ah, okay. Not where I thought it would be. So how do we update our system, though? Conversion tabs. Okay, these tags don't work. Take another shot. Look, they don't work at all. Oh, these buttons don't work either. Okay, take another shot. The categories do, though. He's gonna pop in. Yeah, that all eventually loads. When this thing works, it's really good. It's just... it's got some problems is all. No way. Okay, NX Software Center. But the settings thing, like no settings. Okay, settings is broken. Okay, I'm gonna do an update. There's gotta be something wrong here. pkcon update, let's do it. I couldn't figure out how to update from the app. Like, where would it be? Oh, look at all these updates. See, this is what I'm talking about. I think that something is jacked up. And then look, once again, it just drops the progress right in the middle of the text that it spit out. What? Oh, you guys want to switch to some copyright music? Have you had enough of the Outrun? All right, I'm gonna throw some different music at you. This is Blacktop by Memorex Memories, but I'm gonna let you guys listen to some rock music. Oh yeah, I gotta turn it up. Turn it up for me. This is Highway Tune by a band called Greta Van Fleet. If you like it, look up the music video and take a look at these guys. You really should. Rock needs to be a bit louder, huh? What's my favorite snack? I don't know. I never have answers for stuff like that on the spot. Maybe goldfish? Parmesan goldfish. People that know me and have talked to me like in voice chat. You know that one. This song is so good. What if we did this? Teal, you getting some goldfish today? This song is probably going to be one of my top played when Spotify, like the end of the year thing comes out. This is probably going to be at the top. It will definitely be in my top 10. I listen to this on repeat sometimes. It's so good. It like embodies rock music. That came out in 2015, I think. You have a bag of goldfish at your work, at your desk? What are you doing? Don't play that. Not yet. Here's one that's pretty old. It's from the early 90s, I think. And this isn't really my style of music. It's Alanis Morissette, All I Really Want. But the guitar is so good. I know not everybody loves her singing, but I love her Canadian accent, and she does this well.
Do I stress you out? My sweater is on backwards and inside out, and you say how appropriate. I don't want to dissect everything today. I don't mean to pick you apart, you see, but I can't help it.
I have not heard of that. Code Loco? It's still installing. Anybody's wondering what we're waiting for. I want to give it a fair shot. Oh yeah. No, why are we stuck at 60? Is it done? Oh my god, it's all screwed up. Is it just slow? It says it's installing, so it wouldn't be my internet. Shit. Hello, Deviant? Oh, there we go. Oh, it crashed. Status 29, is that what it says? Why did it crash? Oh yeah. Let's reboot. Delves. It said it crashed, but I'm skeptical. Is it coming back? Yeah, it's okay. I keep getting I got my two monitors, right? I got my two monitors, and my left monitor is still plugged into my computer, but I've hijacked like the back of it, you know? So I have the input different, and my mouse keeps getting stuck on the wrong monitor. Okay. There's my boy. Oops. All right, what do we got? We have to install Steam and stuff too. Uh-oh. Well, I think the show may have stopped here. You've got to be kidding me. It's actually dead? Oh no. Oh no. Oh god, what do? The panel just died. I guess I'll have to create a new one. Create a new folder. Okay. Oh, it's cool. It tells you the file system right there. Hey, this isn't my background. So it didn't save my background, really? I'm so unimpressed with that. You want to restart Internet Explorer? I think I'm going to. All right, I'm going to play some deep cuts for you. Tell me, let's stick with the theme of lady lead singers. This song's so good. This is Wolf Alice, Moaning Lisa. Turn it up so you guys can hear it. Might be too loud. It comes in with a bang. Here we go. Oh, this is so good. This is the live version. It's not the album version, so it sounds different. Hey, it's cute. Is this Plasma? No, it's MauiKit. Let's try this again. Okay. It looks identical to Plasma. Well, kind of. It's missing panels. Empty system tray? Dude, this isn't good. Global menu. How do I launch stuff? I can't get to the launcher or anything. I don't know what to do. Here, I have an idea. We might just have to like build it by hand. Sure, this'll do. I'll take it. At least we can use the damn thing. Steam? Install Steam. There we go. How are you doing? I'm okay. I can feel my throat hurting. Let me turn Wolf Alice down so I can talk to you. Da-da-dun-dun. So that was the live version of Moaning Lisa on a Seattle radio station, and it is so good. I think it's better than the album version. It's just like raw. The way that they produced it in the studio is really good. I like it a lot. Here's another live version of a song. This one is also amazing. You might know it. Did we not install Steam? What are we doing? There's something running in the background? Huh. Oh no, there's no window controls because I'm missing the NX thing. Dude, this isn't good. How do you play all these songs live without copyright coming after you? I don't know, man. I'm just good. This is the live version of She Sells Sanctuary by The Cult. Oh my gosh, please. Default panel, maybe? Oh! Hello. Why is it on the side? Why is it all one panel? I'm actually not unhappy about that. Let me see if I can move it. Okay. Yeah, I'm here for it. Why are there two Wi-Fi things, though? There's two sound widgets? God, this is such a good version of the song. Alright, I'm just going to install Steam by hand. This is how that thing works, by the way. It was supposed to do this, but it didn't. Where is it? 17? You dare me to play this song? This is a beta distro? I don't think so. Sanctuary. His guitar just growls. Do I listen to... I use earphones. Earbuds. I'm monitoring my voice too. It's like a whole mix. Dun, 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 dun. While that's installing, let's take a look at some tests. You guys ready for this? Distro Delves tests. Wow, I like barely even read this. Let's switch to dark. The dark theme. I love it when people ask me how I'm playing this music. Like, the honest answer is I don't know. I'm just doing it. Appearance. Gonna grab some nibbles. I need some too. I'm getting hungry. We're looking at syntax highlighting here, by the way. So we got any. It opens the TOML file as an untitled thing. What the hell? I can't close it. Oh, I know what we'll do. Yes. Oh yeah. This looks great. And is that always on top? Oh, what is it then? Oh, you can't edit it? Look. Do 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 do. All right, you guys want to hear some hip hop? Let's switch. Let's switch gears. Oh yeah. I don't know if anybody will know this one. This is kind of a deep cut. They're all deep cuts, you know? Here's your config file. Here's a nothing. Oh, there's no emojis. I put that character in there specifically to test emojis, and this does not show them. That's supposed to be a wolf. It's opening the JSON file in Firefox? I mean, yeah. Yeah, it works. Yeah, this all looks good, honestly. This app is actually really nice. Look at that. This is really cool. There's a lot to like about this, but unfortunately it has a lot of bugs. This song is loud to me. I can't tell. Like on OBS it says it's not too bad. I should probably look and see if I have any No, I don't have any copyright claims. They're okay with it. Audio formats. Uh-oh, what happened? What's the name of this song? This is Ease Off the Liquor, the Blue Ice Mix. It's hard to find. Look for it on YouTube. This is like one of my favorite songs. Accounts? What? I guess you can sign into remote servers somehow? Oh, it's not in my music folder actually. Let's remedy that. Club mix straight out of 2012. Isn't it good though? Oh, look at that. It all works. So this is pretty cool. I'm gonna open this in a new split view. Oh my god, you can't even tell where it's split. Can you get rid of it? How do you get rid of this? No? So once... Ah, there we go. And just do it the hard way. Found another bug. Take a shot. Look, I'm trying to select all these and it's not. How do I select them then? Can you not multi-select now? There you go. You have to hold control. The year all country music sounded the same, 2013. That's funny. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's test the video player. If I just type in player, what will it find? Clip. Oh, this is cool. Let's see how codecs work. It's not good. I love that synth, whatever the hell that is, making that noise. This was such a good play and I'll never have it again. Here you go. This all looks great. It's running good. CPU's not struggling. How do I go back? Why does this go away? Like once you tune into something, you can't take it back? Oh, that's cool. You see the little... It goes... I don't like that you can't go back. That's weird. Now playing. Is that a bug? It feels like it is. So yeah, I can't go back. That's dumb. I don't know. The video... Uh-oh, what happened? Did it pause? Ah, so the video playback is great. Should we stick with the hip-hop vibe? I think we should. Now we're going to get into some dicey territory. I might get shut down for these tunes. You guys like Timbaland? Oh yeah. Turn it up for you so you can actually hear it. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Should have a bug counter. You want me to have a bug counter? I feel like that's a little toxic though. Like, I'm not here to trash on people. We're just using the distro. Oh, my pictures. Oh, there's Steam finally. So we got thumbnails for most of them. Okay, that's going to take some time. So we got thumbnails for BMP, PNGs, JPEGs, GIFs, and WebPs. But can we open everything? That's the question. Winter AVI? Oh my god, it doesn't recognize 4 characters. It's AVIF, but it thinks it's an AVI file. Oh my god, that's bad. So we got BMPs, we got PNGs, we got JPEGs, GIFs. I wanted to add JPEG 2000, I think, because that was in the news recently. Chrome dropped support for it. Pix doesn't support it either. When was Peppermint 11 OS? Peppermint OS 11? I think it was done this year. WebP. What's this? Why is there the eye crossed out? Okay, well, that's that. Honestly, pretty good. What am I missing? Archive formats. What is this doing? Why is E first? How is it sorting by default? Sort by modified? Okay, that's weird. I wouldn't expect that. Archives. It uses Arc, so it should be able to open all these no problem at all. Right? Yep, we're good. Boy. Documents. I think we already looked at this, didn't we? Executables is next. Rename. Can I open a terminal here? Might have to run these in a terminal. Open terminal here. Okay. Okay, fellas. Take a shot. I said open here, right? Right click. Hey, where'd it go? Open terminal here. Here. It opens it in my home directory, which is not here. So there's another shot for you. Oops. Zinity. We don't have Zinity. Let's fix that. Did we not just install the Steam runtime? Zin is back. Wow, that's a lot of stuff just to install Zinity. That's craziness. Oh no. Is this hip hop? Would you call this hip hop? This is more like disco, isn't it? This is so cool. Is it working? Yes. Well, actually, I'll just go offline. It's gonna put me back online though. That's okay, whatever. Do we have Mango HUD? It's installing right here, if you missed it. Turn remote play off. That's it. Yeah. Yes, you can restart Steam. It keeps getting stuck. Pkcon is lame. I guess it'll just come to when it comes to. Log out. Oh, I have to look something up really quick. Steam Flatpak external library. Grab this one. Stop it. Grab it. Or not? Sure, yeah. Grab the whole damn thing. You like this song, Ben? I like it too. Very good. Who's next? No, I don't want to play that one. Let's play this one. We're gonna have a good time. I don't want to screw with this thing because it's downloading, and what if I accidentally kill it? I'm just gonna open another one. Ooh, this is a loud one. Marky Mark ain't gonna be louder than me. I was gonna do pkcon what? Maybe I'll do that in a second. Lost track of what I was doing. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Do I like custom ROMs? I mean, I like them as much as anything else, I guess. I don't have much of an opinion on custom ROMs. What? Okay. That was weird. Media, Egee. Okay. Let's see if that worked. There's a reason why I'm doing that. Oh, come on. Get out of here. Just go on. Let me confirm that this worked. Right, those are my games, but we need to add the library. There it is. Yep. Bingo, there it is. Oh, we were going to install Mango HUD, and I didn't want to risk screwing up the terminal. Oh, I think I did anyway. Oh, it's back here. Well, time for you to go away. Okay, pkcon is done. Installation complete. No, this isn't what I wanted. I think I lost my terminal. Oh well. Wait, Discover? KDE Discover? Keep your hands clapping. That's just a built-in desktop? That's funny. Get out of here. Pkcon install Mango HUD. When will you look at Cask? The Maui shell? Yeah, I forgot about doing that. Am I doing anything right now that would be bad if I quit? Can I have this mount automatically? Is there a way to do that? No? Fine then. I'll look at the Maui shell in a minute. We can probably look at some games. I'm actually running out of songs. This is going to be a long stream. I'm not even done. Not Egeeify. We want to go back to the Delve tests. Oh, I wanted to install Godot and show you Egee Tales. You guys want to see my game? It's not really much to look at, but let's see if we can find Godot in the software store. Oh, there it is. Get it. Get it, get it. So I'm using Godot installed from the Software Center, which makes it an app image. Oh, I didn't launch Brave either. Yeah, look at that. It actually installed Brave. I'm impressed. Yep, there it is. So Egee game is written in Godot, and it is not finished, so don't expect anything too exciting. Or wait, no, you pick the folder, right? Oh no, it's this, okay. Is this a different version? You need to figure out how to make Brux into an app image. Apparently, Mint and Debian don't use the same glibc. Good grief. Alright, here it is. Do, 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 do. So it's not much of a game, it's more of a prototype. Are you a fan of the Pet Shop Boys? I'm not, I don't know. No, I don't think so. It uses GLES2, OpenGL. What? Why are his collisions screwed up? That was not expected. This doesn't look like mine. On my computer, this is different. What version is this? What version am I using? 3.1? What version do I have? Did you make that Husky Sprite? I did. I used DuckTales as a reference, and I looked at Scrooge McDuck, and I recreated him as Egee, more or less. So this is 3.1, and I have 3.5.1, and for some reason his collisions are screwed up. Well, his hitbox is there, but maybe the collision for the ground is messed up? It's missing, like, there's something terribly wrong here. It's missing all of the everything, basically. So this doesn't work. Only positive vibes here. Oh, the scene is over here. What the hell? Should be over here. Okay, that's fine. Well, maybe we can figure this out. If I needed any sprite work, I might need, if anything, I might need just like advice. I made him, as you can see, he's animated, like he has a fall animation. I made that. It's not great, but that's okay. I've never made sprites or anything before, so this was all like brand new to me. That's kind of weird. Let me see if it, I mean, I was testing with it last night. I was showing a friend how it all worked, kind of. But it was working, like I was cruising around in the scene with them and everything. Yeah, see, it works. So the version of Godot that they ship with doesn't support my project. It's easy enough to fix. Let's do it. What is happening here? Flatpak. 3.5? No. Or wait, no, that is what I wanted. Godot stable. Yeah. Just use the generic one. Yeah, thanks, Kelvin. That's cool. I'm interested in your game because it's cool, but also because I'm like, how does this whole game development thing work? I have a bunch of games in my game folder that I want to show you. Dorian's Doors. If you ain't in it to win it, then you need to just quit it. It didn't launch it though. Hello? Okay, pkcon checked out. Again, I need another terminal, but I'm afraid of breaking the system. Come on. You saw STA on there? Is that... What's STA? STA SuperTux Advanced? Yeah, it's an older build. It didn't work when I tested it. I probably won't. I mean, I don't think it would be a good idea to work on it on this stream. This distro is a little bit mercurial, let's say. Oh, middle mouse button click or paste doesn't work? What? That's a first. It included the return carriage in there? I've never seen that. This feels so alpha. It opened it and... Okay, here we go. Yeah, we got it. All right, who's next? Here's some rock music. Ooh, the frame rate is very poor. Oh my goodness. So right now Rice is narrating what's going to happen and I can't do anything until he's done talking. This is Huey Lewis in the news. I'll have you know. Oh my goodness. Controls. There we go. I talked about this in the Ubuntu versus Fedora stream. That first room is like really bad. My friend Rice made this game for a game jam. He made it in Godot. Whoa, hey, it froze up. Ah, it's back. You like the focus application or focus animations? Oh, froze up again. There we go. Such a silly song. Like, it's not silly, it's, I don't know. Now I gotta do a puzzle to get this down. It took me a while to figure this out. You stand in the middle, and then you kick it down. See, it's a puzzle game. You have to be smart like Rice to come up with stuff like this. You tested this for a bit, you enjoyed it? Yeah, it's nice. I like to play games. Hey! I like to play games my friends make. In lieu of them, I have other games. We already looked at SuperTux on another stream. We'll do it again, but like this is weird. I know that I'll have to install system libs to compile it, and I just don't want to. So we're gonna skip that. Jelly Drift. Uh-oh. Where can you get that game? I think Rice has it on itch. So this is good, but you got to turn the graphics down really far to get it to play. Anybody know this one? But if anybody's working on games, I'd love to try them out. Just let me know. I only know what I know. And I don't know what I don't know, so you'll have to tell me. Oh. See, the music's better when there's a little bit of action going on, huh? I mean, it's driving, but it's still action. This is so hard on this keyboard, you don't even know. This keyboard is not good. It probably supports controller. Ah! Alright, this game's too hard. I'm bailing out. It's about as far as I got. Classic driving and rock music go together. Scales of Stardust. I thought this was really, really cute. Oh, we need wine for this one. Oh, I got a past Egee on the back. This is a really good test. Way to go, buddy. Oh, we got Godot. When I run out of songs, I think we're just going to go back to Outrun. I had a lot of songs set up for this one, but we're going really slow. And that is A-okay. Oh, I ran Steam. I didn't mean to do that. Godot. Nothing to whine about. This is a cover of Whip It by Powerman 5000. Pretty good song, honestly. You gotta take off. It was good having you here. Look forward to seeing you next time. There we go. See? This is how it's supposed to look. There it is. That's my boy. Ah. It needs some work, but it was hard getting the camera to set up right. There's like a little box. Powerman 5000 is such a fun band. I love the way he sings. He's got such a good voice. But there's this little box that when he presses against it, it like drags the camera with him. I had a couple NES games that I was trying to copy. A lot of games pin the camera in the center to the character, and I just don't like the way that feels, so I have him able to drag it a bit. But yeah, that's Egee game. Runs good. Just got to have the right version of Godot. Alright, who's next? I'm going to show you one more game, and that's the wine game. If it... Mango had never installed. Dude. You want to see what's more ahead of you? Yeah, I get that. Alright, who's after that? Ooh, here's an industrial song. Let's see if what you think of this one. Might have to turn it up. It's kind of quiet. It's a good one though. All right, I'm getting to the feeling. Let's go ahead and restart. Actually, let's restart and take a look at the shell, and then I'll see if I can get wine going, and then we'll take a look at some Steam games. Okay, restart. Well, log out really. How do I change the shell? I don't see a way to change the session. Yeah. Okay. That was a short ride. Okay, we're gonna try that again. Alright, let's try to play a Steam game while this is downloading. It looks like it's actually working this time. Isn't it though? The solo is awesome. We'll look at Risk of Rain during this, not right now with the music going. Hey, there it is. Well, it doesn't matter because we can't hear the Risk of Rain music. Oh, I never got Zenity working. We'll do that. We'll do that on the next stream. Scales of Stardust. This game is really cute. I'm interested in what Kelvin thinks of it. It's made with Unity, which is kind of weird. Oh, that's right. That doesn't work. Oh, it looks like Wine 32 is missing? No way. Oh, that's it? We can't do it then. I have no idea how to add 32-bit stuff. Okay, well, that was a short ride. Let's take a look at Risk of Rain. You'll have to wait for the next stream. Weird, it says my Steam data is out of sync. I don't know. Can we play any of these games? It's 32-bit. Super Tux Advanced. Like I said, I'd have to download all the libs, and pkon's kind of a piece of crap. I don't want to fight with it. Wildwoods should work out of the box, though. All right, back to Outrun. This is a pretty good one. I've run out of music. That doesn't happen very often. Lately, when I do Distro Delves, I kind of feel like it drags. And this one is just, I don't know, like we're always working on stuff. It's going well. I don't know why Risk of Rain needs to download a ton of stuff, though. Got an assortment of games we can try. I mean, we could do Wildwoods while this is going. I don't think it runs very well. It's a really, really super cute game. They got a new publisher, I think, and they decided to like rewrite the game. And I don't know. That was like a couple of years ago. So I think it may be stuck in development hell. Yep. Controller works. Let's do medium. It's kind of an easy game. Or maybe we should do hard. We'll do medium. Will be a red panda? Or is that overrated? No red pandas. We could do pirate kitty. Black orange-eyed kitty. Oh, a Debian kitty. Well, of course. Uh-oh. No. Did it really just wipe out? I think it did. Oh, dude. I crashed it. Didn't that look like it was a really cute game? I gotta get back to it. Hold on. Okay. That wasn't the distro, that was the box. I'll be honest, I don't know what power supply it uses. Like, I don't know what the specs are. So that's probably why it did that. Not the distro's fault. Oh, it saved my settings this time. Okay, that's good. Good, good, good. Do you guys want to see the cat game, or should we just go back to Risk of Rain? Wildwoods? Let's see what Risk of Rain's doing. Oh, I forgot to... Damn it. I forgot to reattach this. Downloads. You like that you add new library folders. Oh no. It removed it. Oh, come on. Oh, hey Rice, I just played your game. I think you missed it. Dude, come on. That is friggin' lame. Alright, where's friends? That needs to stay logged out. Like, I log out when I open it, and it should stay that way. Okay, if it kicked my Steam thing out, then I'm not gonna do it again. That's becoming annoying. I don't like the Flatpaks team. There it is, it's back. Really? You'll rewind? You're silly. Doo-doo-doo. Close it. Oh no, did it lock up again? No, we're good. Alright, Risk of Rain. Let's do this. Oh, I do want to go back on shuffle though. By the way, this song is Love Lost by Robert Palmer. Parker. Robert Parker. Not Arnold Palmer. That's a drink. Oh, it's downloading Proton. Corrupt update files? Oh, good. So do I have to repair it? I've never had to do this before. Like, I've never had it tell me that a thing was corrupted. What's this music? I hope everybody's feeling good. Should be a pretty low-key, chill stream. Not a whole lot going on. I haven't been as close to the mic as I thought I was going to be, so the music better not be overpowering me. I think I have been competing with it, actually. I'm going to turn it down a bit. Ooh, this is a good one. Come on. Hey, Manuel, I'm well. How are you? I mean, I'm okay. I got a sore throat, but I'm roughing it. I'm roughing it. So what's cool about this distro? It's beautiful. I think it's a very, very pretty distro. Pretty desktop. I think it's pretty cool. The problem with it is, boy, it's laggy. Hello, what is your main OS on your main computer? I am running Linux Mint Debian Edition, and I like it a lot. my main workstation is I've gone back to the Lenovo Legion. We had to do some creative work to get the battery pack to function again, but it's basically working like a desktop computer. It has to be plugged in even though it's a laptop, but it's a really, really good solid like hardware configuration. Oh god, how long is this gonna take? And I like it a lot, so. Man, I am hungry. I'm looking forward to dinner or lunch after this. I'm gonna make a late lunch. It's gonna be spaghetti, homemade spaghetti. Not entirely homemade, but homemade enough for me. I've been trying to improve my cooking skills. Oh my gosh, this is part of the system tray. So there's two Wi-Fi's and 2 sound widgets in the system tray. Good. That's always fun. Spaghetti is always a good choice. I hope it is. It's just a matter of whether I mess it up or not. Not much of a cook, I'll promise. I'll admit. I'll be the first to admit it. Yep, Linux Mint Debian Edition Cinnamon. Rice, is that what they mean by dual band Wi-Fi? You know what? We have Deviant, we have garlic knots. So I requested garlic bread. We looked for garlic bread, but knots we found instead of garlic bread. So with us, we took garlic knots, which are honestly probably easier. You just toss them in an oven or air fryer. And they're very tasty, and I'm looking forward to it. Just like I'm looking forward to this Risk of Rain. That's not garlic bread. You are absolutely right, Rice. Will you launch the darn game? I'm regretting Risk of Rain. I should have chose something else. Probably won't even run well. Okay. Music's fading out. Okay, here we go. I have a mouse cursor. We have 0% on the bottom right. Is this running in boxes? No way, this is real live hardware. How would I be playing Risk of Rain on boxes? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? I see that the Streamlabs chat is still having a moment. 5%? 6%? Okay, here we go. Just took a minute for it to load up. Do you prefer Debian Edition or normal Ubuntu? You know, I'll be honest with you. I'm not really a fan of commercial or enterprise distros anymore. I never really was. But a couple things have happened in the community that have made me not prefer to use anything that a corporation touches. Or shepherds, as it were. So, I like Linux Mint. I like the special sauce that Mint adds to its distros. But I don't want Ubuntu. So I opted for Debian. And you know, I have always said, I wish Linux Mint would just quit screwing around and use Debian instead of Ubuntu. And I decided to put my money where my mouth is. And now I'm using it. That's what we're streaming on. So I've got 2 PCs. I've got the Distro Delves rig, which you see. And I've got the Lenovo Legion, which I'm streaming from. Is it stable? Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? It's Mint. Mint is known for its stableness. Yeah, it's good. The only thing I don't like about Mint is that it really tries hard to be its own distro. So if you install a repo that wants Debian, it's going to find Mint and it's going to get mad at you. But of course, you can just update the app config file that gets set up and have it point to like Bullseye or whatever instead of whatever Mint is shipping. Oh, this is running terribly. Good gravy. Oh, we waited all this long for this? Oh, everything is on full blast. Let's turn it down. Texture resolution, that's going to make it look terrible. Alright, I'm not even going to try to mess with it. If it can't run it at full graphics, it's not even worth playing Risk of Rain. It's not a very intense game either. You guys ever see Besieged? Besiege is a pretty fun one. Maybe we should do Cluster Truck. I don't know, you guys might like Besiege. Let's do it. I gotta have a better plan. Though I didn't know that Risk of Rain was gonna run like butt. I'll just take that out of my rotation. I set up a bunch of games, like as you saw that list of games that we could play on stream, but the first one's a dud. We can always go back to Wildwoods. Alright, this is Besieged. It's a fun little game. Let's go to the sandbox where we can dive right in. Try Minecraft, always a good benchmark. Oh, I got benchmarks. Alright, let's just build something very basic. I'm getting the hang of this again. We're just going to build a little car. Oh, we don't need that. Take that away. I mean, we should need it. We shouldn't need it, but... Oh, a steering hinge. That's what I needed. If you've never seen this game, you're probably like, what the hell is going on here? It'll make sense. You guys ever play Carmageddon? This game, I'm building a death machine that's a bit like something you'd find in Armageddon. Is that a race? Yeah, we'll put a drill on there. Alright. Uh-oh. Why is it turning? If anything, it should be going straight. Oops. There must be something wrong with the configs here. Key mapper. Forwards and reverse. Yeah, I actually don't know why it's turning. It shouldn't be. Forward and reverse. The wheels are in opposite... Oh, is that what's going on? Yeah, that is what's going on. How do I change that? Is it this one? Click and drag, rotate the machine. Oh, I'm not sure how to do that. Reset values. Can I grab the little thing here? No? Crap. I'm sure it's something simple. I just haven't played this in a pretty long time. Set it on the ground, rotate the machine, translate the machine, info, destroy it. Okay, let's try this. So which way are we gonna go? That goes backwards, so it's actually these ones we need to get rid of. Okay, let's try this again. Oh wait. Flip a wheel when hovering over it. Okay, there we go. So let's make it rear-wheel drive. So that's going that way. Okay, so that's backwards. There. There we go. Alright. So let's just put regular unpowered wheels on the front. So now we're just rear-wheel drive. Alright, we have our machine Le Death. It's just like drifting and stuff. I thought that there were enemies. There they are. Yeah, I mean, this is like a death machine, right? I drill into the little camp over there. Listen to the music. All right, fellas. Oh, my machine broke, though. It's over there just spinning out of control. Okay. So we need to reinforce this a bit. How could we do that? There's not really a whole lot to reinforce. Like, it's such a simple structure. We could build struts. Like maybe... Oh, not like that. Does this give it any better structural integrity? I don't know if this little doohickey up here is strong enough. We'll put another one here, maybe. My background in robotics makes me want to backseat this. See, this is the kind of game I wanted to play with you guys. Like, I knew that you'd like it. Very silly. I'm like weighing this thing down with all the structural supports that it has. Okay. What do you think the drill on the front is going to do? You think that's any good? I don't know if it is. Maybe put a drill on the back too. Oh, I can't. Oh, maybe? Hold on. Let's see what it does. No, it just breaks it apart. Maybe just a metal spike. Put spikes on the side too. What do you think of that? Oh, what are we doing? We need buzz saws. There we go. We'll put spikes on the side too. How's that? All right. This game, name of this game, it's called Besiege. Yes, yes, thank you. I'm really happy to be showing this to you. I found this ages and ages ago when LGR made a video about it. So it was a long time ago. He doesn't do that kind of stuff anymore. But one of my friends, Raven Numbers, I don't remember his channel name, but he goes by Raven674 something. He's been just like covering games on his channel, and I'm like, I want to do that. That looks like fun. Like, that looks like just legitimately fun. And I want to have fun. But I know that I'll never make time for myself to do it, so if I'm going to cover a game, maybe I'll just do it on Distro Delves. And it worked. You guys are interested in the game, you're asking about it, so hey, happy to do it. So this isn't a very effective weapon of death, actually. Those guys have too much armor. The sheep? Yep, the sheep die. It's a little bit laggy, but... What is happening to it? Look at this. It's gonna break apart. Okay, so my little struts on the top, I was really skeptical. I think the drill is off, but there it goes. Well, it was good for a little while. I don't think this drill is the way. I'm gonna get rid of it. We'll just put a spike on there. And if you guys are wondering about this, yes, you can put weapons, cannons and stuff on your rig too. All right. You think it was the buzz saws that screwed me over? Maybe it was. Maybe it wasn't the thing. Oh, I already broke one of this. I just broke one of the spikes. It can't turn that sharp and it broke off. All right, let's go over here. Hello. Death is knocked. Yeah, that's right. Breaking and dancing. The front wheels collide with the spikes. They do, don't they? So, Rice, how would you rate this machine? There, we broke the spike off. Now we can actually turn. Yeah, those side spikes were the trouble. Now that those are gone, we can drive around just fine. Oh, do we need all-wheel drive? We might need all-wheel drive. The house just explodes. No, we did it. See? Rear-wheel drive's fine. There we go. He's dead. See, it's a very simple... I can't believe how much support the struts up here gave me. I wasn't expecting them to do much of anything. This is great. Besiege looks fantastic. It is. And this is just sandboxing. Oh, well, that's that. You guys want to see the actual, like, campaign? It's got a whole story to it. Maybe not a story, but... Alright, welcome to the Isle of Ypsilon, ruled by Queen Winifred. I actually have a flying machine that I made a long time ago. I'll see if I can get it going. God, I'm hungry. I don't know if I'm gonna have... You know what? I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think I have the patience for spaghetti. I might make that tonight. I think I might run out and get something fast. I'm really hungry. Where is my machine? I made a machine a long time ago. And I want it. Yeah, show me my files. You could just get stuff. SU-27 flanker. Yeah, files you've posted. Is there anything? There it is, the flying thing. I made this ages ago. Yes! Let's see if I can remember how the hell to fly it. Put it on the ground. Okay. Oh, it's off to a really bad start. It's not even stable sitting here. I think I used the numpad to fly it. I'm pretty sure I did. Let me see. Yep. Damn it. This doesn't have a numpad. I don't know what to do. Let's try this. Five. Oh, because it actually, I know what I did here. Darn it. Okay, this may not work. Does it have any others? It does. And these just go up, right? This is just, these ones just are lift. This was a really, really effective killing machine. I beat the entire first level with it. Okay, let's see what this thing does. Oh, it zooms the camera in and out. Darn it. This is for the controls. You can't do it that way. Drat. Alright, back to the drawing board. What the hell's wrong with the camera? Put it back. Click to reset the camera. Yes, thank you. Or press F1. I am. It's not resetting the camera. Why is it not? There we go. Okay. So, I guess I could press 1. How's that? Will that do anything? Let's see. Okay. We just fell over? What? Okay, so we can use 1 to generate lift, and that should get us off the ground. You know, of course, the machine of death I would build is a helicopter. Okay. What did I do wrong? Ah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, lift needs to be... Carmageddon was fun. Yeah, that was mid to late 90s. There we go. Oh, it blew up. All right, let's try again. Oh, the thing's not working. Why not? V? Oh, what? How'd these get all screwed up? That needs to be down. Oh, it's not down. It's the arrow key. Okay, let's try that. A helichopper. That is exactly what it is. There we go. All right, we beat it. If you were expecting elegance, you were mistaken. If I could use some kind of axis to fly it instead of it... They're all spinning, right? I flip it upside down so that I can get like a better look at it. Yeah, they're all spinning. I don't know why it's so... Oh, it's off balance because this thing breaks off. Here. Let's start it spinning. There we go. There, see? See? I can control it. Yeah. Drop the payload. Boom. If you were expecting elegance, you are mistaken. Oh, one drops the bomb. That's why. That's why I start out and it's already dropping. I see. Okay. Death from above. Tilde maybe? We'll drop the whole payload in one shot. That should be sufficient for most things. When I drop the payload, it screws up the balance of it, so it becomes really hard to fly. So now we can start on the ground, take off. Yep, there we go. And drop the bombs. Kablooey. I have to kill that man. Oh boy. Oh, it didn't even kill them. Alright. Drop the bombs. Zone conquered. It's like revisiting your old undocumented code. This one's easy. We just drop the bombs as they are, and... See, look at this. This is a cool little machine, isn't it? I spent so much time working on this stupid thing. Well, that sucked. People are making like Boeing 747s and stuff. I've got this stupid little flying machine thing. Okay, now this one is the hard one. Oh no, well, actually this is kind of hard. Because you have to take off before you take damage. Okay. Oh! No, no! Okay. Oh, I have something messed up. I can generate more lift by utilizing the thingies, but... See? There you go. Alright. Oh. Okay, I see what's wrong. You. And you. What? Toggle mode? You know, actually... Yeah, we could do toggle mode. This might make it easier, actually. I'll just, like, turn it on and go. There. So now we flip on the engine. Oops. We flip on the engine. There we go. And now I can focus on steering. Yeah, that'll be easier. Turn on the engines. There we go. We just made an improvement on the spot. Oh, this is such a good song. All right, we're going too high. We might have to cut the engines here. Yeah. Oh, it didn't do it. I missed one. All right, this camera angle sucks. There we go. All right, turn the engines on. Get out. Okay. Turn on the engines. Go. Oh, shit. Come on. No. This is hard. Okay. Turn on the engines. Boost. Okay, we're out of danger. It's good. It just takes some practice is all. God, listen to this song. This is such a good song. Bombs away. There it is. See, it took some tries. Okay, this is the hard one. I don't think I'm going to be able to beat this. Go, you fool! So when I did this before, I had the bombs set up to drop, not all at once, but one by one, and I was able to fly over the people and do it. That's not how I have it set up right now, and this keyboard won't let me do it that way. So I'll just kind of do my... It can't rotate, if you haven't noticed. Like, once it gets off kilter like this, I can't fix it. Turn off the engines! Look at it. It's like really, really nice gliding effect. I can't do anything, this guys. I'm just going to crash it. Alright, you guys want me to come down? I'm coming down. Alright. I think that's going to wrap this stream up. I'm going to play you out on a really fun song, though. Get a load of this. It's been great to have you guys. This has been a really, really fun stream, and much to my surprise, it has been pretty much exactly as I expected it. I was hoping it would be awesome, and it has been, and I'm really glad to have shared this with you. This is Nitrux OS 2.5, I think. For folks coming in late seeing what the distro is. Nitrux 2.5. It is not alpha, though the bugs might make it seem like alpha. It is not. And overall, I would give this maybe a 4 out of 10. Very pretty, but very buggy. And that's it. Have a great weekend, everybody.